All right, let me show you how to find the area of this rectangle using an area model. An area model is a visual way of representing these binomials. So we could say x plus 4, put it in parentheses, and then multiply it length times width by x plus 3. So what we're really doing is we're just taking each side and multiplying them together, and they're set up as two binomials. But another way of representing this is an area model, and what an area model looks like is this. So instead of putting the plus and the plus in between, I'm just going to look at it and I'm going to ignore this rectangle, and this rectangle, and I'm going to focus solely on this square. So all I'm doing is I'm multiplying those two values together. X times x is going to give me x squared, and then you put it inside of the box. Now when we're done, we're going to have 4 terms, and we're going to combine 2 of those terms because they're going to end up being like terms. They're both going to have an x attached to them. Okay, so I'm going to go 4 because this x is essentially this distance here to here. So x times 4 makes 4x. Same idea here. This x, because it's the distance from here to there, it's the same distance here to here. So I can put an x right there. 3 times x is this rectangle. So I'm going to end up getting 3x. And last but not least, this rectangle is going to come from those 2 measurements. This is a distance of 4. So this down here is also a distance of 4. This is a distance of 3, or a length of 3 units. So this is 3 units. 4 times 3 makes 12. Okay, now that we have all this done, we've set up all of our information. Now, those of you that like to do it the other way, you're thinking, okay, FOIL method will give us the same results. Yes, it will. X times x is going to give you x squared. X times 3 is going to give you 3x. 4 times x is going to give you 4x. And 4 times 3 is going to give you 12. So I have the exact same 4 terms, x squared, 3x, 4x, and 12. Here in the area model, we should notice that these 2 are like terms. Put those together. Our final result is x squared plus 7x plus 12. Those were combined to make the 7x. Over here, you're going to notice that those are like terms. You're going to do the same thing to simplify x squared plus 7x plus 12. FOIL method, for those of you that like it. Area model, for those of you that would rather write it out visually. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.